Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to add your business location to Instagram. Write me if my solutions helped you, if you managed to do so. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to any browser that we have on our phone or tablet. I go to iPhone software, and then in the search bar, we write the word maps. Go in. Open Google Maps. We open a map. We choose any location we want. Choose any store. Let's say it should be our store or whatever it may be. Click on it. Then we swipe to the side. Click Share. Here, click Copy. Then exit. Go to Instagram. Open your profile. Click Edit Profile, and then click on Links. Next is Add External Link, and where it says URL, we add a link there. We can sign anything at the bottom and click Done. Exit, click Done. Save. And now, as you can see on our homepage, we have this link to our location, our business. Now, when a person goes to our profile, this is how they browse. Goes in, clicks on it, and goes straight to our store or our car service, our car wash. It doesn't matter where. What matters is what you've specified. This is the simple way to add your business location to Instagram. Let me know if my solution helped you, if you got it done. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.